Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I will show you how to capture your screen or how to record your screen using Clipchamp video editing software. This software is free by Microsoft. You can install it from the Microsoft Store for free. So Clipchamp has two options to create video. Either you can import your media files or you can record your screen or webcam or just microphone. So I have a complete playlist dedicated to Clipchamp video editing. You can have that on the I button. So let's go ahead and record something. So I'll go on and record. As you can see, we have four options here. You can record your screen and camera. You can just record your camera and you can just record your screen. And there is also a text-to-speech feature by Clipchamp. We will discuss it in another video. So for now, I'm going to record my screen. So to record the screen, I will click on this. Then I will have this recording button. So I will click record here. And from here, you can record the entire screen. You can record the window. You can record a tab. So we are going to record the entire screen. And from here, you can check the system audio. It will share the system audio in the screen recording. So I will click on that to select, then I will share. Now, as you can see, Clipchamp has started recording the screen. I will hide it and I will go to my chat GPT, and here we are going to write something. This is just for a demo purpose, as we are using Clipchamp video editing software to record our screen. This is just to show you that the screen capture is very accurate, and this is by Microsoft. So again, I'm going to click on this and I will click stop sharing. Now, as you can see, Clipchamp has recorded my screen. I can preview my recording here, or I can retake my recording, or I can save and edit. So I'll go ahead and I will click on save and edit. This is preparing the screen recording, and as you can see, this has recorded my screen. I'll share the system audio with you. Now let's play again, share. Now, as you can see, Clipchamp has started recording the screen. I will hide it and I will go to my chat GPT, and here we are going to write something. This is just for a demo purpose, as we are using Clipchamp video editing software to record our screen. This is just to show you that the screen capture is very accurate, and this is by Microsoft. So again, I'm going to click on this, and from here you can just crop your video, just trim your video, or you can split your video, you can edit your video, you can do anything you want. You can detach the audio from the video, and it will automatically save your audio and both video to your local computer. You can increase the volume. You can do many things with that. That is a subject for another video tutorial. So for now, I'll show you how to export it. Once you are done with your editing, you can go to export. There is a gap, so it's saying that we have a gap here. So you can click on export and you can export as 1080p, 720p or 480p. In another video, I'll show you how to import media, and how to export in different ways.